How to fix CapCut couldn't load, tap to try again. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you 3 different methods with the help of which you will be able to easily fix this issue. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you simply need to search for CapCut. Now once you have found CapCut, you simply need to search for any updates that you are getting for CapCut. If that is the case with you, then you just have to simply update your CapCut application, and then you just have to launch it and then see whether you are getting that error or not. If you are still getting that error, then you just have to long press on your CapCut application and then tap on app info. In the app info, you just have to tap on the option of clear data in the bottom right hand corner and then tap on clear cache and then press OK. Afterwards, you just have to relaunch your CapCut mobile application, and then you just have to see whether the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still persisting, then you just have to go to the app info of CapCut again, and now you will have to tap on clear data again, and this time you need to select clear the old data option and then you need to press OK. Now after doing these 3 steps, you are going to definitely fix the issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.